Cinematic landscape, rhythms of the camera.
A landscape is a cultural image. It is a way of representing and symbolizing the surroundings. Landscapes have been represented by various materials and surfaces, land, water, and vegetation, and have been recorded by various schemata like painting, theatre, and literature. To understand a built landscape, it is necessary to understand both verbal and visual imagery. In a country like India with rich history but a predominantly illiterate society, non-verbal documents in landscape can be powerful visual signs and convey messages forcefully. Cinema thus can be a useful lens to read landscape. But landscape seems to have been granted no place among the topics of argument in the aesthetics of cinema, though there is a vast literature on language, human face, sound, silence, fiction, and truth in film, but almost nothing on natural beauty.
Landscape sometimes provide narration to cinematic frames and when they are spliced gives new vocabulary. Landscape and films are both social developments that rely fundamentally on vision and perception of their actual definition.
As a landscape architects, we are deeply interested in how landscapes could be perceived through and from the cinematic medium. Because, according to us, landscape is yet to find its place in wider discussion and debates, especially in the developing world. So, through this video, we would like to portray the significance of landscape in Bollywood movies.
Landscape is a central element in the formation of cinematic space. In this particular frame, we can see how shot has been taken such that it is amplifying the unique qualities of a place, pairing vivid images in the landscape with the story of its diverse inhabitants. Sufi swirling performed in the center of OAT subconsciously highlights the subject.
Landscape gives meaning to cinematic events and positions narrative within a particular scale and context. Film manifests a bodily experience of space where time and sound provide spatial qualities generated by the haptic experience in landscapes. The mountain, which is humongous in relation to the main protagonist, expresses the huge task he has to accomplish.
Landscape is basically a definitive medium in cinema. In this particular frame, we can see how the beauty of women is being compared with a design landscape that merges the song, context, and emotions.
Landscape as place refers to the location where the narrative is set. It gives a regional sense of place and history. It can be established through repetitive use as markers of any city or location. Cinematic events needs to take place somewhere. In this movie, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, foreign locations has been used as a setting to mark the layer of realism added to it. The places shown in this movie established by repeatedly using landmarks of the landscape. Protagonist Baldev Singh is shown to feed peasants at the Talwalkar Square, and as the narrative shifts from London to India, he is shown to do the same in the mustard fields of Gurgaon, depicted as Punjab. As landscape tend to create a link between narration and place, so at some level, Baldev Singh creates a sense of India on the streets of London, and by various spatial experiences, the use and representation of landscape is very well communicated.
Landscape as ideology is a cultural construct, a product of the mind framed by the ideologies and experiences. Swades, a 2004 Bollywood movie, highlights the importance of landscape in upholding humans' emotions and identity. A large part of the film is set in India, highlighting the rural landscapes, and some parts set in USA depicting key American landscape. The ideological struggle is evident through the landscape imagery, where rural images from India are juxtaposed with urban images from America. The conflict within the protagonist's current engagement and his longing for the homeland is vividly depicted in a song narrated through landscape images. Swades adequately grasps the sentiment of nostalgia and alienation through landscape narrative, while underpinning protagonist's emotional turmoil and search for identity.
Dubbed as Bromance, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is a story of three friends taking a road trip in Spain and their experiences of bonding, love, and friendship during the trip. It is a Bollywood comedy drama set against the scenic backdrops of Spanish landscape. In this movie, landscape is merely be a scenery, a background upon which events are staged, but a spectacle, landscape has multiple functions in one image. In movie, landscape images, often in long shots and aerial views, are shown to underscore freedom, self-exploration, introspection, and association as the various characters which deal with an array of emotional encounters in friendship and love. Purely laid on imaginary surface, ZNMD creates a sense of national identity to constructing the worldview. This movie has been central to shaping the imagination of the Indian audience, and its popularity lies in its very ability to present the spectacular on cinema screen.
Landscape as metaphor can be perceived to be similar to landscape as spectacle. However, unlike spectacle, landscape metaphor in this movie delves into the hidden meanings of landscape. As seen in the movie, natural landscape is a metaphor for romance in the narrative. The movie uses landscape as a metaphor to depict sadness, love, and longing, and at some times it is used to depict a joyous atmosphere.
Cinema is simply one form of engaging audience as it has enormous potential of landscape, and the same has been analyzed in this video clip. In literature, landscape is largely limited to the specialist knowledge of agricultural and urban studies, and in action, it is evident in forest conservation and urban development. In between specialist knowledge and forest conservation efforts, what is missing is the recognition of everyday human interaction and connection with landscapes. This gap is filled in part by Bollywood through its landscape depiction, even though these are only as a backdrop to a film's narrative.
By the Bollywood movies, which uses remarkable landscape images from the foreign locations and constructing an eclectic mix of imagination. After considering all factors such as landscape as place, ideology, spectacle, and metaphor, we came to a conclusion that the landscape is not just a mere backdrop in cinema. It is a central organizing element of the typical Bollywood movies.